Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session we are going to discuss and learn about the applications of complexation. In my previous sessions we have discussed about the different classification of complexation and different aspects of complexation. In this session we are going to cover about the different applications of the complexation. The topic has been taken from the unit 4 complexation and protein binding of the subject physical pharmaceutics 1. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates. So complexes are formed once substrate and ligand react together to form the complex. Substrate has a different properties, ligands have a different properties, but once they combine and forms the complex altogether have a different properties. Now these complexes have different applications in different fields. In pharmaceutical field also they have different wide applications and they are being utilized in every aspects. So let us try to analyze the different roles played by the complexes and their different applicability. So the very first application whereby the complexes find use is in the treatment of poisonings. So different poisonings complexes are the best antidotes that are being provided for the treatment of different sorts of the poisonings. Moreover, they also helps in the absorption of various drugs and are able to increase the bioavailability for the various drugs. Because my dear students, you can understand any drug if it is not being absorbed properly, if it is not having good bioavailability, then the therapeutic efficacy goes down. So sometimes it has been found that if a complex is able to increase the bioavailability and is able to increase the drug absorption, also for some complexes they are able to increase the solubility of the drugs. So if you have better solubility, if it will be absorbed fast, it would have better bioavailability. So this is one of the most challenging area to increase the solubility of the certain drug substances. So while you can make the complex, and the complex automatically, since it is having different properties from the substrate, it may enhance the solubility of your drug substance. It has also been observed that complexes have better stability. Some of the complexes, as such, the drug substances are unstable, but once a complex is being formed, the stability enhances. So, therefore, complexes find a wide role in the drug formulations, in enhancement of the drug absorption, solubilization, stability, bioavailability. In uh, in other fields also, like for the diagnosis purposes, complexes are formed. For examples, complexes have different colors which can be recognized by different techniques, so they help in the diagnosis and identification of various disease. They are also at times used as a therapeutic tools. They also help in the development of assays of certain drugs which are difficult to estimate otherwise by other methods. They also find their applicability in the novel drug delivery systems. They also helps in having understanding the partition coefficient of the drug. So, my dear students, once you know the complexations, you can understand its various roles by making use of its altogether different properties, which is being developed once a complex is being formed. So, a complex developed may have different physical state, it may have different volatility, it has better solid state stability, chemical stability, solubility, and dissolution characteristics, because various parameters are interlinked to each other. For example, if you have a better solubility, you will automatically have a better absorption and therefore better bioavailability. So when we form the complexes, we have a different new substance having different properties, and these properties can be utilized in various applications. They Some of the complexes have reduced toxicity. Some of them are widely used as an antidote in the metal poisonings. Some have their drug actions through the metal poisonings, and some complexes are even observed to have antibacterial activity. So they find wide applications in different areas in the pharmaceutical development. So let us try to explore and understand the different applications through various examples. Uh, Let us first try to understand the physical state. It has been observed that nitroglycerin as such is an explosive, but when it is allowed to make the complex with beta cyclodextrin, the complex formed is not explosion, it is totally explosion proof. So the complex is having better properties as compared to the nitroglycerin. So it can be allowed to make the nitroglycerin inactive by making the complexation with beta cyclodextrin. Second application comes the volatility. It has been observed that substances when allowed to form the complex have their reduced volatility. So sometimes we need to mask the odor, we need to mask the unpleasant odor. So in that case, we can make the complex, and this complex will have a reduced volatility. It has also been found that it enhances the solid state stability. For example, for certain vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin D, if you form a complex with beta cyclodextrin, it is found that the complex which is being developed is having more chemical stability, better, and the complex form is having long term shelf life. So you have better solid state complex being formed once you allow vitamin A and D to make the complex with beta cyclodextrin. As such, when you see the vitamin A and D, they are chemically unstable. So you can stabilize the vitamins by making it allowed by allowing it to make the complex with the beta cyclodextrins. Other examples include, for example, it has been observed that caffeine, when allowed to make the complex with the benzocaine, the complex prevents the benzocaine hydrolysis. So here what is happening is that the caffeine is, when allowed to make the complex with benzocaine, is forming such complex which is actually reducing the degradation of the benzocaine. It has also been observed another application that the PABA, which is para-aminobenzoic acid, when allowed to make the complex with the caffeine, improves the solubility of PABA. Otherwise, as such, PABA is unstable. But when it is allowed to make the complex with the caffeine, the complex formed has better solubility. It also enhances the dissolution. How come? There is an example for phenobarbital, which is otherwise insoluble. But once it is allowed to make the complex with the beta cyclodextrin, the complex forms have better solubility and henceforth better dissolution. Other examples includes the categories such as partition coefficient. Like I have discussed in my earlier session as well, water plus benzene and permanganate ions of it is having certain partition coefficient. But once the water is replaced with the chromium ions, it is partition. The drug is getting more partition into the benzene part. So the partition coefficient increases as you make the complex using, and this complexation is having better penetrability. Then it has been found for certain drug, like for example barbiturates, there is improved bioavailability, and certain substances like tetracyclines, they makes the complex with the calcium and the magnesium ions. That is why, so, but once this complex is formed, this complex is having reduced absorption and availability. So that is why sometimes in the competitive exams question is being asked why the tetracycline should not be taken with the milk, because milk contains the calcium ions. And so once tetracycline is taken along with the milk, there will be the formation of the complex, and this complex will have a reduced absorption and bioavailability. So this comes into the case of the drug interactions as well. Like other examples include, for example, indomethacin. So indomethacin, once it forms a complex with the beta cyclodextrin, it is having reduced ulcerogenic effect. And when beta cyclodextrin is allowed to make the complex with the chlorpromazine, it reduces local tissue toxicity. So my dear students, you can see there are wide applications of using these complexes. The very first application, which is very important in the case of the complexes, is that they are generally used as an antidote in the poisonings. For example, arsenic, mercuric groups, metal ions, groups of enzymes, they have an effective normal functioning. And the dimercaprol or the arsenic complex, they can be easily eliminated mercury from the body. So certain toxicities, for example, mercury toxicity can be easily removed by making and allowing the mercury to make the complex with these substances, and the complex can be easily eliminated from the body. Other examples include the hydroquinones, which are able to form the complex. Now this complex has a allowed them don't allow the metal to form the complex, and what happens is that there is no, when there is no accumulation of the metal, therefore anti-malarial action takes place in a better way. Other activity includes like antibacterial activity, or for example, when a drug called PS, para-aminosalicylic acid, is allowed to make the complex with the cupric ions, it forms a complex. So the chelate, the complex is 30 times more fat soluble. So it is having better antitubercular actions. So you can see that when we make the complex for certain drugs, the bioavailability increases, the solubility increases, there is better absorption. The complex is able to eliminate from the body easily, helping in the poison in the case of the poisoning, for example, mercury poisonings, or like sometimes the complex is able to have a better therapeutic action when it is getting improved partition coefficient as well. So if you have improved partition coefficient, it simply means that your drug substance will be more solubilized into the lipids, and this balance is required. So you can understand there are wide applications of the formation of the complexes. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates.